very. I'm teaching English a little bit.
We're going to a lesson. I have pupils in us, so we are going to present them English.
यहाँ पे भी शुरू हो गई धूप है लेकिन स्नोफॉल हो रही है अभी हम जा रहे हैं एक नए शहर में क्या कैसे प्लान बना क्या हुआ मैं बाद में आराम से बैठ के आपको बताता हूँ और क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा हमारा मॉस्को के डोमेस्टिक एयरपोर्ट पे थोड़ा सा वियर्ड था बट गलती हमारी थी क्या हुआ बाद में बताता हूँ क्योंकि सब कुछ नया है मेरे लिए एकदम भी ज़रा सी भी चूक हो गई तो फिर मैं बहुत कुछ मिस कर सकता हूँ यहाँ पे क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक तो कोई इंग्लिश नहीं बोलता है अनाउंसमेंट भी इंग्लिश में नहीं होती एयरपोर्ट पे सब रशियन में हो रहा है सब रशियन में बट इट वॉज ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी स्नोफॉल यहाँ पे भी शुरू हो गई धूप है लेकिन स्नोफॉल हो रही है जहाँ जाते हैं बर्फ आने लगती है विंटर वॉज कमिंग हाँ लीन विंटर इज कमिंग
Rakushka.
फाइनली कैब मिल गई हमको बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है लोकेशन
Rakushka, Riviera, what?
ओके इज अ पार्क
Park.
गुड
Park.
टू विजिट यस
हाँ,
वी
हाँ।
हैव टू विजिट देयर बहुत ही अच्छे रेट पे मिला है ओनली 1350 रुपये में मिला है पर डे किचन विचन सब इंक्लूड है आपको दिखाता हूँ booking.com से बुक किया ये मैंने फाइनली पहुंच गए भाई हमारे दोस्त के मेरे फ्रेंड के घर पे पहुंचे हम लोग वो लेने आए हमको रिसीव करने एंड जा रहे हैं हम लोग doing in Sochi.
I'm living and enjoying my life.
No.
And,
But
I'm teaching English a little bit.
Yes.
I have groups online and offline. And, what else? And we both we make daily rent. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 year. 1 year younger.
that's good. Hi. What's your name?
Mira.
And what are you doing in Sochi?
Sochi. I'm living, enjoying.
No. You are studying or working or
Oh, really?
something.
Yeah. I'm working with energetics,
Okay.
energy, and with.
It's me, Leo. I'm from Ethiopia.
Oh.
I came here to visit the country for second time, and I'm happy to meet you, Julia and
Mira.
Mira, and I already met the other friend before a week. So now we have almost like 20 days more. And yeah, we have 20 days, almost 20 days. So we don't know where we go, but I have a plan to go Petersburg, Samara,
Samara. Oh.
Samara, and there is one place called. It's around the European place.
Then Europe.
I'm gonna show the map. This
What
one,
about Baikal? Oh, Kaliningrad.
Kaliningrad.
What's about Baikal, the hugest lake in Russia?
Oh, handsome man, tell your name.
My name is Sasha.
What are you doing in Sochi?
I live here 5 years.
And
You are studying here or working or something?
I work here.
Work.
Yes.
what did it?
Massage?
And body.
Как по-английски?
Is there any vacancy
Sauna.
for your?
I work in a very hot room. Yes.
Sauna. one of my colleagues lives here. Yeah.
Like out of Russia.
If you try,
Like European
you
kind of Russia.
love it.
Yeah, so there is Colombia, Lithuania.
Sounds good.
Washing there,
Okay.
and now they are just relaxing there and clean themselves even in the non-visible way.
Okay. Good.
So you can feel that you begin to breathe better, your wealth is better,
Okay.
so you are very strong and
बॉक्सिंग हाँ तो जूलिया आ गई है अभी हमको लेने के लिए हम लोग जाएंगे कहीं सो वेयर वी कैन गो टुडे
We're going to the lesson. I have pupils in Adler. It's not so far away, just 1 hour from here. And I have pupils from the second and from the fourth class. So we are going to present them the English lesson. Why do they need English?
yes good
I appreciate.
so it is like a school or something
Like school but private. English and some other lessons.
okay that's great टैक्सी चेंज करके अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं ट्रेन से ठीक है भाग के पकड़ी अभी ट्रेन एकदम ऑलमोस्ट पॉइंट टाइम पे हम लोग पहुंच गए थे तो आई सेड दैट वी हैव टू रन टू कैच अ ट्रेन
Yeah.
because we are on the time
Once in 1 hour.
yeah oh only one train in 1 hour
Yeah, to Adler, yeah.
okay that's great it's nice cute I love kids hello hello hello
Hello.
hello
Будьте в индийском блоге
Привет.
теперь на YouTube.
Привет.
What is your name?
My name is Chirag.
Chirag?
I'm from India.
My name is Nicholas. I'm
What?
from Russia.
What's your name?
My name is Nicholas.
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 Yeah, you are from Sochi?
No, we are from Siberia.
Oh, yeah.
There are a lot of Indian lives in Thompson
Okay.
because they studied in medical university in Thompson.
Oh.
And my really good friend from India.
Okay.
I do not remember from what part of it, but we talk to each other, meet each other. It's about 30 kilometers from us, but
Okay.
he comes to me, I come to him. We visit each other.
If you have opportunity to go India, you can go?
Maybe, but I'm afraid maybe difficult with eating because of
Yes, it's also spicy food, yes.
very spicy.
Yes.
We have a good restaurant in Novosibirsk. If you will, if you be in Novosibirsk sometime, we met with my wife Indian restaurant and try really Indian food with my friend from Thompson.
Okay.
He said so much like,
Уважаемые
but
пассажиры, на вокзальном комплексе Сочи открыт бизнес-зал нового формата.
Indian
К
food
вашему
are
услугам
so spicy,
предоставляется
very
питание по
spicy.
типу шведского
Yes,
стола.
yes, yes.
Алкогольная продукция.
you may try to visit Abkhazia.
Abkhazia?
Abkhazia, it's not Russia, but it's
Okay.
really interesting place. It's not far from here.
Okay.
And
But
it's-
if I want to go there, I need a visa?
no, the
Because I
Russian-
have only Russian tourist visa.
I suppose it will not be a problem for you because the Russian may travel to Abkhazia without visa.
Okay.
And maybe otherwise you may
Okay, yes.
some interesting. But in Abkhazia there are the temperature is higher
Oh.
than it is here.
Then Sochi
Da.
is a warm place.
It's warmer and
Yes.
Аэропорт. Состав поезда находится на 8-м пути. Проходим посадку коридор через контор. The waiting of the suburban train from Tuaksan to Sochi Airport.
कोस्टल एरिया में रेलवे स्टेशन है बहुत ही अच्छी जगह पे जा रहे हैं
Couchsurfing.